In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and manage page zoom on Microsoft Edge. Whether you want to make text larger because you're having trouble reading small fonts, or you just want to fit more content on your screen, adjusting the zoom level is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll need to open up Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon in your taskbar, or finding it in your Start menu. Once you have Edge open with a web page displayed, you'll be ready to begin adjusting your zoom settings. Now, look towards the top right corner of the Edge window. You'll see three small dots. Click on them to open the Settings menu. This menu is where you'll find a variety of options related to your Edge browser, but today we're just focusing on managing the zoom of your pages. In the list of options that appears when you click those three dots, you'll want to look for Zoom. It should be fairly easy to find as it's usually located near the top of the menu. This is where you'll make any adjustments to how much or how little of the page you'd like to see. Next, let's focus on changing the zoom settings. You'll notice two symbols next to the word zoom, a plus sign and a minus sign. If you want to zoom in and make things appear larger, go ahead and click on the plus sign. Conversely, if you wish to zoom out and see more content, click on the minus sign. Each click will incrementally change the zoom level by approximately 25%, making it easy to adjust the display to your liking. As you make changes by clicking either the plus or minus sign, you'll see the current zoom percentage updated next to the zoom settings. This percentage gives you a clear idea of just how much you've zoomed in or out. For instance, if you've clicked to 125%, everything will appear larger than at the default 100% setting. And there you have it. You now know how to adjust the page zoom settings in Microsoft Edge. This adjustment is perfect for times when you need to get a closer look at something, or if you prefer to have more content on your screen at once. Just remember, these changes will affect only the current window and page. If you open a different web page, you may need to adjust the zoom level again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now feeling more comfortable managing your Edge browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy browsing.